So, when there's fireworks, y'all have to be courteous. It's like it's loud, and most people are like irritated by loud noises, like choo choo choo. Yeah, so we've got to be courteous, because like not a lot of people are used to loud noises like fireworks is. So it's not better for people who just stay indoors, but you know, it's a beautiful day outside. Go outside. I'm stuck in the mall. Look at my bear ears. Oh my god. Marilyn Monroe. Yeah. So another thing